Wishing you a happy new year with the hope that you will have many blessings in the year to come.
Wishing a very happy new year to the one who adds sunshine to our family. As we walk into another new year, I want to express my gratitude for motivating me every time and encourage me to move forward in.
A very nice and beautiful new year with your family and friends, and take a resolution to be a kind person and don't do anything worse you do in 2021.